Hi guys, the previous recording was missed, so recording this session again. So today we'll discuss about posting period variant. So what is the use, what is the concept of posting period variant? So in which transaction code will define the posting period variant, and which transaction code will assign to our company codes, and where we can do open and close posting periods. So just before that, we'll understand what is posting period. So in real time world, okay, in production systems, as per accounting concept, so we need to do postings only in the current period, in current month. Let's say we are in April now. So whatever postings we are supposed to do in April month only, April 1st to April 30 only. So we can't do postings in previous month, that is in March, okay, and also we are not supposed to do postings in next month, that is in May. So if you guys are in current period, you have to do postings only in the current period, okay. There could be one or two adjustments, so we'll discuss that later, what could be the adjustments which could be doing in the next period first day, and which could be doing in the previous month end date. There are one or two adjustment postings which will be doing in the previous months and in the next month, but 99% of the transactions will be doing postings only in the current period, that is in the current month. Okay, how we can control that? So to control that, SAP has introduced a concept of posting period variant. Okay, using this posting period variant, we can control, we can open and close the posting periods. Okay, we can make sure in the system that only current month is open, previous month is closed. Or if you want previous month and current month to be open, we can make sure that only previous month and current month is open. We can make settings like that using posting period variant. Okay, simple definition. If anyone asks what is posting period variant, simply tell them that posting period variant we are using for open and close the posting periods. Okay, first let's discuss about this posting period variant. Okay, in OBBO transaction code will define the posting period variant. Okay, I am going into OBBO, just create. It is like business area, how we created 4-digit key, right? So I'll give 1s43, I'll give 1s44, I'll give 1s45, and I have 4 company codes, right? So I am giving all these 4 posting period variants and the description, that's it, nothing more. Just give the 4-digit key and the description. Okay, and no inside details, nothing, just the variant key and the description, that's it. Save it. Okay, you can see the posting period variant was created. Okay, and there is one thing, so assign it to our company code OBBP. Okay, let's go to OBBP. Okay, let me filter with my company codes. As I mentioned, I created 4 company codes. There are already posting periods variant assigned. I am just replacing it with the new ones which I created. 1s43, 1s44, and 1s45, and 1s46. These are the 4 posting period variants I created, right? Okay, I will save this 4. Simple setup. We need to define the posting period variant in OBBO transaction code. So what we need to give there, just 4-digit key, any alphanumeric, any letters, numbers, alphanumeric, just simple, provide the description, save it, and assign it to our company code in OBBP transaction code. It is also straightforward. Next to our company code, we need to just give the variant and save it. Simple. Okay, definition and assignment is simple. Only thing is opening and closing the posting periods we need to know. This is the most important transaction code we need to know. Why? Because in the production system the periods will already be open. Okay, you no need to do manually. Either the end users will open the posting periods, or there will be background jobs. We'll discuss what is background jobs. There will be background jobs which will be there and which will be set up in the system. It will automatically open and close the posting periods. That is one option. And there might be in some projects they will ask consultants to open the posting periods. So we'll also do using this OB52 transaction codes. In production system, we will open and close the posting periods accurately on timely basis, but in development and quality systems we won't maintain like that. Okay, we are FICO consultants responsible for opening and closing the posting periods. So if any other team member is facing any issue in the development and quality system, they will reach out to you. Hi FSCO team, please open this posting period. Or if any user is testing in quality system, if they face any issue, they will reach out to you. Please open the posting period. So in that case, you should be well aware of this transaction code and how to open and close posting periods. Okay. Which transaction code which we discussed? OB52. In ECC, we have two intervals. In SAP S4 HANA, we have three intervals. Okay. There is a change in ECC to S4 HANA. This is the first difference so far we are discussing in this session. So previously that fiscal year, company code, all these things, there is no difference. But for this posting period, we have a difference. In ECC, we have two intervals. One is for normal posting periods, one is for special posting periods. But in S4 HANA, we have interval and interval 2, that is for same. One is for normal posting periods and this one is for special posting periods. And we have interval 3, that is for CO to FI postings, controlling to FI postings. Okay. Previously in ECC, even though the FI periods are closed, there are some CO postings which is bypassing the FI period locks and doing the postings. To fix this issue, in SAP S4 HANA latest version, they introduced this interval 3 where we can control the posting CO to FI postings as well using this interval 3. Okay, let me show you those screens. Okay, how in ECC, how in S4 it looks like. You can see in ECC, forget about this account type, this from account to account we'll discuss. This is the posting period variant. You can see from period year to period year. Okay, this is for normal period. Okay, this is for special period. Let me go into Excel and see how we can do this thing. Okay, let's say if it is from period 1 year 2026 to period 1 2026, it means in 2026 only the first period is open, that is April month. Okay, this is our fiscal year 2026. This April was our first period, right? So April 1st was open. April 1st period was open. If I give 1 to 2, what does this mean? April and May both are open. If I give 3, what does this mean? April, May, June, 3 periods are open. Okay. If I give 2, it means April is closed. Okay. May to June is open. Okay. If I give 3 to 3, what does that mean? April, May is closed, only June is open. Okay. If I want to open July, what I'll do? I'll give here 4 2026, here also 4. What does this mean? Fourth period, that is July, is open. Okay. This period 2 will be there, right? It is for special periods. We discussed, right? We'll be having up to 4 special periods. That is 13, 14, 15, 16. We'll give the same here, 13 2026 to 16 2026. Okay. This is how we need to do. So if we go to ECC system, you can see only 2 intervals are there. If you go to this S4 HANA system, okay, let me go to OB52. Here you can see I'll give posting period variant as 1s43. You can see from period 1, this is for normal posting periods. Period 2, this is for special posting periods. Period 3, that is for CO posting periods. Okay. First in this session for the first 1 to 1.5 month, we'll focus on this normal posting periods only. Okay. And in once the GL is completed, we'll focus on this period to special GL postings. and when we go to CO we'll focus on this period 3. Okay, let's try to add new entries here. Okay, for the first time we need to add entries, and once the new entries are added, going forward we'll change only the periods. Okay, it is asking for the first column was account type. Okay, before adding anything here, let's understand what is account type. Okay, we have 5 account types in SAP FI. Okay, those 5 account types are, if let's think from business perspective, we'll be having GL accounts, we'll be having customers, vendors, assets and materials, right? These are the 5 account types we'll be having in SAP FI. Okay, for these 5 account types only we'll be opening and closing the posting periods. Okay, there are two options. Okay, either you can do manually A, D, K, M, S. Each account type wise you can mention. For the time being we haven't created any assets, customers, vendors, materials or GLs, right? We are giving from account as blank to as ZZZZZZ. Okay, I just opened here only period 1. You can see 1/20/26 and special periods I opened. Okay, if you don't want to do it individually, just do plus. What does that plus means? It is applicable for all account types. Plus means valid for all account types. Okay, no need to give from account to account if it is for all applicable types. Just give 1/20/26, 1/20/26. Special periods 13/20/26, 16 year will be 2026. CO will discuss when we discuss the controlling module, and simply save it. Okay, what does this mean? For all account types, the first posting period is open now. Okay, since we are at the April end, right, I'll give 2 and save, so that April and May both periods are open now. Okay, if anyone asks you to close the April period and open May period, we'll give 2 2. Okay, if someone asks you to please keep April, May, June 3 periods open, you will give 1 2 3 and save it. Okay, this is how you need to do open and close posting periods. Okay, if posting period is not open, we'll get an hard stop error saying that posting period is not open. Okay, go and open the posting period. Okay, just for the time being, understand this posting period definition. Okay, in which T code will define it, in which T code will assign it, and in which T code will be opening and closing. In SAP S4 HANA we have 3 intervals, in ECC we have only 2. Okay, we'll open and close the posting periods using account types. We have 5 account types, A, D, K, M, S. Okay, and we can open posting periods at each account type level or else at plus level. Okay, we'll be giving from period to period. Okay, we'll first focus on this normal posting periods. This special periods and CO periods we'll discuss later. Okay, clear? Just do the practice. Thank you guys.